again, Maria, and yes, I'm back for another plantzilla video. And for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you na dito po, dati nakalagay yung black cardinal namin. But, to fill up its natural space, so ayan, dito ko po inilagay yung anthurium. Not sure if this is a magnificum or a crystallinum. Can you take a look at that? Sobrang laki na po niya. And it started with just only 2 leaves dito sa amin. So, bigay lang po to. So, look at how beautiful it is. And meron pa po siyang bagong dahon na papalabas. So, we badly need to repot this one. But don't worry, we will do it next time. And we'll make sure to show it to you guys. So, ito lang po yung planong i-repot natin. Tsaka meron pa pong isa. So, wait, let me show you. And this one right here, kindly take a look at this, our mother plant. So, ayan, malapit na din po siyang ma-propagate, and I'm just so happy about that. Anyway, guys, it's just so sad that one of my Birkin died. I'll just flash the photo, but I still have 2 that is thriving and is still beautiful. So, here they are. This is the first one, and that is the second one. So, since I'm too tired to do the voiceover and to spend some time in editing, I decided to make this a video, a row 1. This is another red Congo. So, ayan, magpa 5 leaves na siya. Ito yung binarter. I'm not sure if it's 5 or we shall count the small one. So, ayan. Ito yung binarter ng William na baby pa dati. And if you guys know what is this calathea, I also have this. This is so small nung nakuha ko, but now sobrang laki na ng inilaki niya. Ito din yung mga philodendron tricolor, yung mga baby pa dati napakita ko last video, which is about propagating philodendron tricolor. So, ayan na sila ngayon, malalaki na yung dahon. But we are waiting for the roots to pop out para makapag-survive na siya on their own before we cut them. And this is our radicans, anthurium radicans. So, ayan, may bago na po siyang dahon. And for sure, this is buhay na buhay na. So, my Brazil is looking like this now. I remember what I saw in Altacita. Sobrang ganda po ng philodendron Brazil nila. And that is my goal. That is what I wanna do with this one. I'm just not sure if kaya ba nitong lumaki ng ganong itsura kasi sobrang ganda po ng nandun. While this philodendron marcianum or our popeye, meron na po siyang baby leaf na lumabas. So, ayan. I think this is the 10th leaf. And our tobacco cardboard. Not really sure if this is an anthurium Ginmani Engler. That's on Google. Pero meron na po siyang dalawang, anong tawag mo dito? Flower? Not real sure. They don't look like flowers. But maybe yung inflorescence. Yung na-search ko, just correct me if I'm wrong. Well, I will research it again kung tama ba yun. So, ayan. Ever since we got this, hindi pa po siya namamatayan ng kahit isang dahon. So, ayan. And by the way, guys, this is the philodendron Melanoni that we bought for 600 pesos last June. Pero ito na siya ngayon. This is so big. Look at her when we compare it to the other plants around her. So, ayan, sobrang laki na niya. Let me get a size reference for you to have an idea how big it is right now. So, ayan guys, I'm back with my size reference. I usually use this Coke bottle, the sakto. Yan yung sakto. And look how small it is when you compare it to the Melanoni that I have. Ayan, actually may pa-flower na rin siya. So, that is the flower because the new leaf is here. So, ayan, yan yun. Palabas na din po yung dahon niya and meron siyang flower na ganyan. So, let's try to compare the Coke bottle sa leaves. Tingnan na natin. Actually, I cannot put the Coke bottle, but kung i-compare mo sa hand, so look at the dahon. So, ayan, sobrang laki na po niya. I think on our previous video, napakita ko kung saan to nakalagay. But since we have heard a lot of mga stories na ninanakaw na naman yung mga milyona, so, kailangan na naman namin tong buhatin para dalhin dito. Kasi nakakatakot na. For me, those are horror stories that I'm hearing from people and I don't want to hear that. And it's better to prevent kasi naranasan na namin and we don't want to go through the same pain again. So, ayun guys, kindly take a look at our green emerald. So, ayan, nung binigay po sa akin to ng coworker ko, kakakat lang daw. Pero tinanim niya kasi kawawa naman kung cutting lang. But now, look at it, meron na po siyang bagong dahon. And malaki na yung leaves niya pagkabigay. Pero now, buhay na po siya. Meron po siyang temporary pole na pag-aakyatan once tumubo siya or if ever it's gonna vine na kasi yung green emerald is a vining philodendron. Anyway guys, here is what I bought. Look at this. Kawawa naman, may kagat po siya ng kung anong kumagat dito. Maybe yung mga uod. Sorry, hindi po namin baboy yun. Hindi po namin baboy yun. Wala po kaming baboy. I'm sorry. So, this is what I bought. This is worth 100 pesos. I remember my mom buying one pot of this Big Roy, Aglonema Big Roy. Yun yung narinig kong pangalan when we bought it. And it was worth 1,200. And I'm so happy to see that there is someone selling this for 100 pesos. While the other one, right here, is worth 150. May kagat-kagat siyang mga ganyan. But kapag inalagaan naman, it's gonna recover and gaganda na ulit. As long as it's alive, there is no problem. This was worth 150 pesos pero tinawaran ko and naging 120 na lang siya. So, I paid this for magkano na ba yun? 100 plus 120. 220 pesos. So, ayun. After that, wala na akong pambili ng ulam. So, we will be repotting this. We will transfer it to a bigger pot and we are planning to combine them para mas magmukhang malaki siya at dadami siya. That's how I look at what my mama bought for 1,200. Parang marami sila sa isang pot. That's why sobrang ganda nilang tingnan. So, that's what we will do with this two here. So, kindly take a look at that philodendron Melanoni. Ito po yung mother plant ng nirepot namin. So, nung itinabi siya dyan sa malaking yan, it's looking like a baby. Oh my god guys, it's raining. And I'm afraid I might get in. So I really have to get in para hindi po mabasa syempre. And I'll go back later. I just hope na hindi malakas yung ulan kasi babaha na naman dito. Kanina umulan siguro kaya yung itsura ng mga pinaglalagyan na naman namin ng mga plants. Can you look at this ha? So ganun. At kapag umulan ng malakas, magfa-flood dito sa area na to all the way there. So, we have to work on this. Papasok ako para syempre hindi mabasa. And I'm just hoping na hindi po lalakas yung ulan. Sige guys, bye! See you later!
A few moments later.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung mga pothos namin. Flex ko lang. This is the Marble Queen pothos. Meron din po kaming golden pothos. I think this one right here is the Enjoy. And we have the silver satin pothos. I'm really not sure why they are being put in one pot. Pero we are just trying to see if it works. Or how will it look like when they grow up. Baka mag-mix yung color nila at maging red sila lahat. I'm just really not sure what's gonna happen. But this is a trial and error. And for those of you who have experienced doing this at home, kindly tell us anong mangyayari dito. By the way, the very first one that we planted here is this golden pothos. So, siya na yung parang nakaakyat na. Then, we put the Marble Queen. The next one was the Enjoy. And then, the latest, itong kabibili ko lang na silver satin pothos, which I'm not sure kung buhay na ba yan kasi it's not yet perky. Buhay na ba yan? Are you sure? Okay. So, eto naman guys, yung elephant ear na baby, yung binigay sa akin ng coworker ko. Dati 2 dahon lang to, but look at it now. Sobrang dami ng dahon. So, yung mga pangit na dahon dyan sa ilalim, they are the old ones, while these beautiful leaves here are the new ones. So, parang magliliman na yung new leaves niya. And this is our big one. So, sana parang na-observe ko, kapag may katabi po siya, talagang nagko-close yung dahon niya ng ganyan. But, when we put it somewhere na wala siyang katabi, talagang mag-spread out po yung lahat ng leaves niya. So, this is really beautiful. This is a beautiful one. So, we will be repotting this kasi sobrang laki na niya for the pot na pinaglalagyan sa kanya. And let's see if we can propagate it na once we try to repot it. Hello there, Moonlight! Anyway guys, dahil meron po tayong mangga dito in front of the house, I'm so happy naman na merong shade na maibibigay to. So it's helping the plants. The consequence is that ito po yung mangyayari. So kawawa yung secret pocket ko. Yan, nung nalaglag yung dahon, ayan, tumusok sa kanya. So kawawa naman. Ano pa naman to, naiinis pa naman ako sa ganito kasi hindi po dumarami yung dahon niya. I just don't know why. If you have tips on parang paramihin tong mga dahon nito, kasi every time na may bagong dahon na lumalabas, nalalanta yung isa, kaya laging dalawa lang po yung dahon. Parang ito, can you take a look at that? Ayan, iyan yung dahon, tapos may bago po siyang papalabas. Kaya yung nangyari sa isa pa, naging ganun. Ay nako, I don't know. So, ayan guys, kahit umuulan, hindi po ako pumasok. Pasensya na po. So, ngayon, kasi lumalakas na talaga yung ulan, I really have to get in. So, thank you so much guys for watching. And kahit random video lang, I just hope that you still watched it till the end. It has been Maria, the voice of Plantzilla bhl. Thank you so much guys. Please do subscribe and click the bell button so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye!